I can see your head. So cool. I'm stuck. Oh, I'm an egg. Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you can tell, I'm filming another trying on Halloween costumes video. These are possibly my favorite videos to film, and it seems that you guys absolutely love these too. If you haven't seen all of my previous videos, I'll link them in the clickable I button and in the description below. If you do get any funny screenshots of me during this video, make sure to tag me on my social media. It's at Jazzybum on Instagram and Twitter, and then go ahead and use the hashtag JazzyShots. I'll have some on the screen for you. Love, love, love scrolling through that hashtag. So if you haven't already, do make sure to go grab yourself some screenshots and post them online, and maybe you'll get featured in future videos. But yeah, enough about me looking stupid. Let's try on some Halloween costumes. I've changed into my trick-or-treat top. This is now the top I wear when I try on Halloween costumes. This is a vampire in a coffin costume. So I'm assuming you pop it over your head and it's an all-in-one. There is a lot to this. Oh my, it's quite large. Is it just gonna balance on my head? So this is what it looks like. It has a little piece of like plastic or wood in the top, which makes this nice and square, which is great. But it doesn't seem anything to hold that up, aside from your own head. And I don't think that's gonna be great. My little head pops out here, and I've got my costume with sleeves. Kind of reminds me of when you go to the hairdressers and they put the cape on you back to front, and it's a very confusing ordeal. If anyone knows what I'm talking about, let me know. We'll see how it goes. I don't know how I feel about it right now. I'm gonna quite literally have to climb all the way in here, aren't I? Oh my gosh. No! Wait! You can undo the back. Oh, that's much nicer. Okay, so I'm in, kind of. Oh my gosh, I can't see a thing. And I don't know how I'm supposed to do this up at the back. I feel like I need someone to help me do it up at the back. Ah! I'm stuck! Wait. Wait. I can breathe! I'm tired already. It's like a workout. That's how unfit I am. I guess it just... I don't know how you make it look more coffin-like. So, thoughts on the costume. It looks like I've been wrapped in a little sausage roll bun, doesn't it really? I don't think I look like I'm in a coffin at all. Also, one, it's really hot in here, like really hot. This material is just warm. Number two, it's very long, so I'm just gonna roll this up so I actually have hands. A coffin shape would be more like this, wouldn't it? Now that looks like a coffin, but I can't walk around all night holding this, and I haven't been given anything else to hold it. So it just looks like a little roll. I'm a little sausage in a roll. This is what it shows on the packet, but I just feel like if they put this stuff, this solid stuff, just in here and in here, that looks way more like a coffin than this. It does look ever so slightly phallic. Does it not? Ugh, just giving birth. I've ordered an egg costume. Not quite so scary Halloween, this one. We're just gonna see what Jasmine looks like as an egg, really. This is my giant egg costume. It's nice and thick, and that's all I can really say about it at this moment. This is me. I'm an egg. I don't really know why people consider this a Halloween costume. It's not very scary, is it? I don't think if I run towards anyone in this, like, whoa, I'm an egg, then they're gonna be like, oh no, a fried egg coming at me, and be scared. But I mean, you know, it's a costume. I've dressed up, I've made an effort, I'm an egg. So, a few things. One, my arms are killing me, like absolutely killing me, because I'm just holding them up this whole time. If I put my arms down, I'm a lot less egg-like. To get the maximum egg look from this outfit, you need your arms out, and it's a lot of work. It's not the most comfortable of outfits, and I've tried on a lot, but it does its job. I'm an egg. Ta-da! So I'm gonna rate this outfit, I'm gonna give it a 6. I'm gonna give the outfit a 6. Let me know in the comments what you give it. Okay, this costume looks really, really cute. But now that I'm holding the package, I'm realizing it doesn't come with the wig. And I really, really wanted the wig. It looks like it's pretty much just the dress. You get the dress, which stinks. That doesn't smell all that nice. It doesn't look amazing, and I don't think it was quite worth £20. No tights come with this. There is no wig or face paint. There's just the dress and a little cravat. Is that what you call like a neck piece? But it does look how it does on the packaging, so I've got to give it credit for that. It does look like what I thought it would, just without the wig or the tights, and it was quite a lot of money. We'll see what it looks like on. It might look nice on. Ta-da! Okay, so this is the dress, and I know what you're thinking. I can see a t-shirt, but it's okay, because I have a neck ruffle. It is actually kind of cute. I do like my little neck ruffle. It is pretty comfortable. Compared to the other Halloween costumes that I've paid similar amounts of money for, this is very, you know? Let me know in the comments what you think. I just think it's a little bit boring. I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10. Kind of had to buy this outfit. It's a shark outfit, and it looks like the shark is eating you. And it also makes me want to sing a song, but I'll wait until I've got the shark outfit on before I sing it. Let me know in the comments before I put the outfit on if you know what song I'm talking about. It's to do with a shark, and a mummy shark, and a daddy shark. Okay, it's really quite large. So this is my shark friend. He has his little white teeth, which are made of like a very stiff felt material. And then he's got his little eyeballs. He's got a little pointy nose. He's got on him some little fins. And yeah, it basically just goes over the top of you and looks like a shark's eating you. So got it. Just coming out of the shark's mouth. That's normal. This is actually so cool. This is such a simple, effective costume. I've got loads of leg room. I can put clothes underneath and be warm all evening. Or if I'm going to a club and I know I'm going to be hot, I can just wear a bikini because that's normal and that's what I'd be wearing if I was down the beach, right? I don't have use of this, my left arm. Left, right? Yes, I don't have use of my left arm. There's no, I would have thought they'd put maybe a little hole in here for my arm to come out of, but I've just lost the use of my left arm. That's it, no left arm for the night. I'm getting eaten by a shark. Oh. Does that work? Does that look good? I can't tell. Wait, can I wear it this way round? Oh, I think I prefer it this. Nom, nom, nom. Nom, nom, nom. Oh, that hurts my neck a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. I can use my arms like this. This is great. I prefer it this way. I like the shark like this. This is a very odd thing for me to be doing. Daddy shark, do 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 do. Daddy shark, do 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 do. Daddy shark. Mummy shark, do 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 do. Mummy. Is it just me, or have I stretched this since I first put it on? I definitely feel like it's got longer. It would be great if his head was like more stiff, so you could like control it a little bit more. It's got a little nose. This feels really weird. I'm gonna give this costume a 7 out of 10. Let me know in the comments your rating. Oh my gosh. So I saw this. It reminded me a little bit of the dinosaur costume from last year. If you remember that costume, let me know. It looks like the guy is on the shoulders of a headless man, and that maybe he chopped off the guy's head. And I just thought I'd try it out, see if it looked like I was actually on this guy's shoulders. Look at these hands. Oh my gosh, that's a little bit creepy. This is actually really quite heavy. So this is the costume. This is where the guy's head's been chopped off, and this is where my feet will go. And then these are my fake legs with little shoes on them. I'm actually really excited, but also I'm nervous that it won't look as good as I want it to. It doesn't look quite as good as when I sat on the dinosaur, does it? The dinosaur definitely tops this. Look how skinny my little legs are. As if they're my legs. Look how tiny they are. But I can now do the splits, and I can touch my toe just about. I can overstretch my... What film is that from? Where he like overstretches his legs? What do you think? Does it look like someone's carrying me? I think maybe because the guy wearing it is taller, so it's more up here. Maybe if I wear this higher. Oh, does that look better? Wait, let me tie it around my ribs. It might look better higher up. I think that looks a little bit more believable that I'm on this guy's shoulders. This guy's kind of cool. Look at him go. Look at his dance moves. Also, if I turn to the side or if I turn to the back, the costume loses all meaning. It's only a good costume from the front. And even then, I don't know how I feel about this costume. I was so excited about it. Ah, stop moving. Ah, down, put me down, please. I don't know, maybe it's just because I'm looking in the viewfinder, but I just don't think this looks quite as realistic. I'd maybe rate it a 4 or a 5, because from what I can see, it doesn't actually look like I'm sat on someone's shoulders. Okay, this one just came in the post. I didn't think this was gonna come in time for this video, but it's just arrived. I'm gonna film this now. I'm so excited. Okay, this is a massive box. This is upside down, and if I put it up the right way, you'll see my address. So upside down, you can see it's a Transformer costume. I've never seen someone try one of these on. I don't know if it's gonna work. I don't know what it's gonna be like, but the box has arrived and I'm so excited to open it. Please tell me there are some instructions in here. Hello? Oh gosh, nothing else left in the box. Oh, instructions! Oh my gosh, this looks ridiculously difficult to do. Oh my goodness. This doesn't look how it does on the instructions. Excuse me, what on earth is going on? Oh wait, here we go. This is insane. I don't know what we're doing. I'm so confused right now. Do we just put this on here? I really don't think that's gonna hold, but sure. This is so hard. I'm so confused. Place the strap around your neck. I don't have a strap. Oh my gosh, how do you know which strap is which? Wait, I've got... Broke it. There are so many straps. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh no. This is where we're at so far. It's taken me about 10 minutes to get just to this point. I honestly don't know what's happening here. Because we're filming another video, but she's gonna help me climb into this thing.
I mean, I have no idea how this is even. How are you gonna do this?
What is this?
Okay.
This is gonna go on my back. Oh my! So my arm's gonna go through these things. This is ridiculous. And then I've got to have one of those on each of my arms.
Okay.
Oh, I'm so glad you're here. I literally wouldn't have been able to get into this.
Right?
I wouldn't.
Is that it?
This is my Transformer costume.
Oh my
right,
God.
are you ready for this?
Do it. No, it's not complete.
Oh wait, how would I have done this without you?
There you go. Is that fine?
Thanks.
That's so cool.
Oh,
how is it stuck?
Oh wait, no, help! Wait. Okay, we're doing this without the mask because it was just scratching me.
It was.
So I'm going under here. And then.
Oh my, wait, it's kind of working. Yeah. It looks like a car.
Oh my god!
Yeah! Oh my god!
Hello! Oh my gosh, I wouldn't be able to do this without you though.
How the hell can you wear that like overnight as a costume?
Back wheels down, and then... Oh my god! Oh no.
There you go.
Oh, we're done. Does that look good?
Yeah.
Does it actually?
It actually looks so good.
No, would you know I was in it?
No, you definitely could tell. I can see your head.
Wait. Ta-da! Right, well, that was an interesting costume. And it's broken, so that's the end of that. That took, I'm not even kidding, like an hour to put together. Broke within the first 10 minutes. And there's no way you could wear that out. Okay, so that is it for today's video. Give it a thumbs up for me if you did enjoy. Let me know in the comments which your favourite Halloween costume was. And as I said, don't forget to tag me with the hashtag JazzyShots, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye.